Bulacan, another historically significant religious site, is the St. Joseph the Worker Parish Church, located in San Jose del Monte. As one of the oldest churches in the area, it was first built in 1751 with light materials, then reconstructed into stone by 1854. The church has stood through time, witnessing wars and destruction. It was burned during the Spanish-Filipino War, 1896 to 1898, the Japanese-Filipino War, 1941 to 1942, and the Hawk Rebellion in the 1960s. Despite these, it has been restored and still retains its antique charm, including the original bell tower. Its massive adobe walls and stained glass windows, casting vibrant hues inside, create a beautiful mix of classic and elegant architecture. St. Joseph the Worker Parish remains a serene place for spiritual reflection today,